Would you looky there, more parts. So, our Roush side winglets came in. They're gonna look excellent on the rockers back there.
So the first step, guys, I just took a little rag and washed, you know, top and bottom, and now I'm gonna take a microfiber and just wipe it off.
So now we're gonna test fit. So how you test fit, you just pull this down just a little, and you slide that in there. Okay. So now I gotta peel the tape off there and stick it up in there before I put the screws in. Just making sure it's stuck up on there. But that gives you a relative idea of what it's gonna look like. So now, just gonna put the screw up in. There's 2 each side. And so now you just got to repeat the process on the other side and put both screws in over there, and we'll be finished. And just like that, they're on. They look really good. I don't know how well you can see them right now, but there they are. Here's the Roush Rocker Winglets out here in the daylight. As you can see, they're very subtle, but I do think that they add a good little look to the car. So guys, that about wraps it up for the Roush Rocker Winglets here on the side. I think they look really good, and I think they add a lot to the car just by being subtle. But go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't. Give us a like down below, and remember to subscribe even if you're not new, just because we're doing a $300 giveaway. There's details down below. It's just a button. You don't want to miss out on that. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you had a great day. Peace out.